Your first word is afterthought. I went to play outside, but my homework was an afterthought. Afterthought. Your next word is forethought. I thought about my homework. It was a forethought before I played outside. Forethought. Your next word is predate. I had to predate my homework. Predate. Your next word is postseason. The Cubs lost their postseason game. Postseason. Your last word is afternoon. We have math in the afternoon. Afternoon.